Hi guys, my name is Prusa. I'm the inventor of Prusa 3D printers, and I'm excited to tell you that I'm finally making an ultimate original Prusa i3 kit. We are working hard on making them, so let's now move to the kit. It's pretty simple. This is the kit, and after I build, which shouldn't take more than a day, you will have a printer like that. It comes with everything, including LCD and SD panel for printing without connected computer, our heated bed, which allows you to print materials such ABS or polycarbonate without warping, our own Prusa nozzle Mark II, which allows you to print 300 degrees Celsius, and last but not least, our milled aluminum frame, which lasts temperatures much better than acrylic or wood, and it's really rigid, so that makes the printer really sturdy. I spared no expense. For example, we use only original Rambo mini boards directly imported from Ultimachine. They run cool and smooth. They also feature real Molex connectors and proper fuses, so they don't burn like cheap Chinese ramps knockoffs. We also prepare all the wiring, we solder everything, and we professionally crimp the connectors, so you don't need to know how to solder for the build. This makes it easier even for a kit. We also bundle all the tools you need to build a printer, so you don't have to run to the hardware store. We are quite proud of our manual. For example, this is the bag with fasteners. All the fasteners have one-to-one representation on the bag, so you can't misplace it. And the manual has high-res photos, so the build is a breeze. We also bundle all the consumables with the printer, so you don't have to worry about them. These are for preparing the heated bed, and they should last for a while. Last but not least, we also include 1 kilogram of ABS. It's made here in Czech, so it's pretty good quality, and you can pick the color while ordering on our web shop. The kit costs only 655 euros, including VAT for European customers, or $599 US without VAT for US customers. We ship internationally with UPS, and it usually takes only 3 days to arrive. US shipping costs 60 bucks, and European Union shipping costs only 20 euros. You can buy the original from shop.prusa3d.com or from any verified reseller listed on prusa3d.com. So, I wish you a happy build, and see you later.